Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time for tuning into my 3115th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first. Trade is a quick video. One picture speaks 1,000 words. Look at what happened today. Look what happens every time we get up here, up here, up here, up here. A picture speaks 1,000 words. The Omni went neutral, so this is a pause day. Omni is neutral, a pause day on Thursday. Then, of course, we look here, and the OMNIPHOENIX is just killing it. Love you guys around the world. Thank you for what you're doing. I'm coming in and buying. Everyone is every time we hit a trend line. Love you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. But remember, this is a thing. This is the YM. It's for the E-mini, S&P, the NASDAQ, the Russ, all of them together. A pause is what I'm telling you needs to take place on Thursday. Now, we had a fantastic day today. We killed it in gold. You know what? Let me just show you real fast. I wasn't going to show you, but let me just show you real fast. We killed it in gold. We bought it as it came, as it started to pop, and took a nice ride all the way up to here. Had a great day in gold. So we didn't bother trading E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ on Wednesday, and we're not trading them again on Thursday. We are probably going to be neutral. That being said, an Oscarism can always pop out, kids. Just wanted to get this out to you real fast. One picture speaks 1,000 words. Look at this picture. You cannot miss the words it's speaking. All right, traders, I hope that helps. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember, stop in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Buy the OMNIPHOENIX. Buy it now. They're not making any more of it, baby. Go out and get your OMNIPHOENIX token now and take a break on the YM for trading on Thursday.